Here's how to draw a palm tree. Hi, I'm Nada from Paperflow Designs. Follow along with me. I'll start by drawing the trunk. I'll draw one line for the left side of the trunk, and then I'll draw another line for the right side, and then connect them together with a little horizontal curved line on the bottom. And you can see that I erased it and then redrew it a few times because I didn't like it. And the easy way to do this on Procreate is to tap with 2 fingers to delete the last thing that you drew, or the thing that you want to delete, and then you can just redraw it. And if you change your mind and want it to bring it back, you can just tap with 3 fingers. I wanted to show the bark on the palm tree just using really simple diagonal lines. So I drew a set of diagonal lines going down from the top to the bottom, from left to right, and then the same thing from the top to bottom going from right to left. To add color, you simply open up the color wheel menu and tap on the color that you want. Here you'll see I picked green. So tap on it with the pencil and then drag it over to the palm leaf shape, and then it'll just completely fill it up. And then you can use that same method, it's just called, like, I think, the color drop method, to color in the rest of the palm tree, the trunk, and the coconut. Okay, so at this point, I realized that I needed to make another layer to color in the trunk because I already added in the texture to show the bark. So I just add another layer. I'll draw the outline of the trunk, and then I'll move that layer below my first trunk layer. And then I'm able to color in the trunk just using the color drop method, and it'll color the whole thing and not just each little square. You can get a printable set of instructions for this tutorial in the blog post. There's a link in the description below.